honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm still staying in the house, okay? And right now I'm getting ready to make some tuna salad. I ordered this from Amazon. It's the 4-pack of Star Kiss Tuna Creations, and it has different flavors. I've never tried any of these flavors, but this was $3 and something for the box. The 4-pack that's in here. So today I'm going to fix the hickory smoked and the sweet and spicy. I'll mix these two together. So I don't know what it's going to taste like. And I'm hard cooking some eggs in my egg boiler thingamajig. So it's beeping, so I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to put these eggs in some cold water. So let me get the tongs. I'll put them tongs. They're not in there. There they are. We'll plunge these in some cold water so the shell will be easy to come off. I'm going to get this out of my way. It's hot. What is this thing even called? What brand? It's an Ambiano egg cooker. I think I got this from Aldi. Okay. I already cut up a white onion. I got in my chopper, pull and chop thingamajig. So that's how much onion I want to use in my tuna salad. That's good. That's how it looks. I'll be using some of this Famous Dave's spicy pickle relish in it. I'm going to put in a swig of mustard to help season. And my Miracle Whip. I like this better than mayo because it has a sweetness to it. So, what else? I bought some of these from Amazon, and they just came yesterday. This is the Hormel Complete Meal. It doesn't have to be refrigerated. So Walter wants to eat 2 of these today. I said, this is for when we ain't got no food left. Then we can go for stuff like this. But he's going to eat this today. It's going to take 2 to make a meal. So this is the meatloaf and gravy with mashed potatoes. And it's a microwave meal. Okay, let's get started. What's the date on here? 2022, okay. Okay, smells like regular tuna. This is the hickory smoked. And the sweet and spicy. Oh, this smells different. I didn't look at the expiration date. 2022. Okay. It looks like a little bit. Onion. This is very sharp. Be careful. I like raw onion. Okay, I'm gonna dump in some the spicy relish. I don't measure, y'all know that. Put in a swig of mustard. Y'all know I like mustard. Just a little. Miracle Whip. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to need any more or not. I'm going to peel these eggs and I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to cut these eggs. Let me cut this in my hand. All that. Usually I put salmon in my tuna salad, and I don't have any. So it's actually, it would be tuna and salmon salad. Black pepper. Stir it up. Yep, that's enough Miracle Whip. Still chopping up the egg. Let's see if it needs any more relish. I'm put a little of this pepper in it. Tone 6 pepper blend. There's a little salt in here. That's the lid. Okay, stir this up. I'm gonna make a sandwich. I don't have any crackers here. And nobody has them online, so because I ain't going to the store. I'll be back. I'll make my sandwich. Just making one for now. Here's my American cheese. And it actually tastes like regular plain tuna. I don't taste the whatever I use, hickory or sweet and spicy. I don't taste the difference. Okay, it's a nice thick sandwich. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for a second. Put this up. See if this fits. No, it's too little. That was a second. Putting this silicone lid on here. Stick it in the fridge. Nice, good seal. It's a good seal. You see that? I'm picking it up. Okay. I ain't gonna cut this sandwich. I'll show y'all. I'm gonna eat it. First, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And this is some more quarantine cuisine. So I'm fixing what's in my house, what I ordered from online. I did order this from online. Taste the onion, taste the cheese, taste the spicy relish. That's good. I don't know how to make a thumbnail of this. My bite. They get up. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, that's my thumbnail. Tuna salad sandwich during this shut-in period. Okay, Walter's eating the Hormel complete meals. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and I'm going for real now. Bye.